In this video, I am going to show you how to get a promo code for BritBox. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and then inside Google type in a BritBox promo code. And now once you're inside a BritBox promo code, you got all these different deals here. You got We Thrift It, Worth a Penny, Odds Bargains, Real Tell Me Not, Coupons.com, etc. Even got Reddit. Reddit is quite useful as well. Don't pay full. Yeah, so you can check out any one of these third-party sites to get coupon code. The one I like to use for this particular website is We Thrift It. So I'm going to click on We Thrift It, 50% off. So as you can see, you got a coupon code, free 1 month, the best BritBox coupon code. You can check that out. You can even show the history to see if it's worked. Last reported working 13 hours ago by shoppers. You got 50% off here. So to activate any one of these deals, simply click on the code here. It says copy code. And now that code has been copied to your clipboard. And then what you want to do is head on over to BritBox, make your order, and then paste that code in to receive your discount.